welcome to PTC Asia 2021. Now we are at JLEM booth, and here with me, Miss Pan, Vice President. Miss Pan, can you tell us about, to our overseas visitors, about your company, what kind of new products you maybe presented at PTC Asia today, and do you think that your new products can facilitate industry development, the whole industry development?
Okay. Nice to have the interview. And for this show, we are sure. Actually, the theme of our show is green and smart. Green and smart is the main topic of the
Yes,
era.
yes.
Yeah, right now. And you can see here we have for the compressor application, the whole system. The whole system solution. You can see from the drive, and control, and drive, and the motor. So it made up a whole system.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it can save energy for the whole system, and it's also catered to the theme of the green.
Yes.
Yeah. Our product is approved as green design and green product by Ministry of Industry and Information Technology.
Okay.
And also our factory is approved as green factory. Yeah. Okay. And also for here we have for the pump application. You see, this is also integrated, the drive and the motor integrated. Actually, this is also the trend for future. So to give a solution for the whole industry, the whole system.
I see.
Okay. So we have different solution for the same application. Actually, it depends on the load characteristic of the application. Yeah.
So, as you already mentioned about green technologies, green manufacturing, so for the past several years, Chinese government, they want to amplify the free carbon or just reduce carbon policy to become cleaner, to become healthier. So, how is your product can help this another companies to reduce carbon during their manufacturing process?
This green or saving energy is also the criterion of our, the direction of our product development, of our R&D development. And we are now actually going up to I5. I5 at the moment is the highest efficient class of the motor. Yeah. So this will help the whole industry to save energy. Yeah. So will help to reach the our government's goal.
Goal
For the dual carbon. Yeah. Okay. And also, actually, we have now we know we work out what is the which industry are the most energy consumption industry.
Okay.
And then we help them to give them the solution. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see.
So we solve the solution. We solve the problem. Actually, this is the key problem they are facing. Now is actually also in some areas. Some they have the issue with the energy supply. Yeah. So because we have the really high consumption of energy. Yeah. Which it's not good for their development. So we try to facilitate to upgrade their equipment and to cater into the industry 4.0. Actually.
Okay.
Okay. So actually we try to give the full train solution, green solution.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as always, competition is really hot, is really intense, especially in this industry. So what do you think, what are your advantages as the company to the customers from another companies?
Yeah, the whole industry is full of competition.
Yes.
Very competitive actually. So, actually for the motor industry, motor is the heart of the equipment, part of the machine. It's very important for the industry. So in the future, the motor will becoming more and more green, smarter, and smarter, and also systematic and integrated. That is also what we are working for.
Okay.
Yeah. And actually, the advantage or the strength that we have is that we can supply the whole system
I see.
from the drive to the motor.
I see.
Yeah. So this come to a full
Package.
A whole package.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay.
So it was really nice to talk to you. It was really you feel really happy and relieved to know that there is a companies that are thinking about our future, like energy reducing or carbon reducing, and thinking not only about their profit, right, but only thinking about our environment and our planet in the future.
Yeah, because as an enterprise, you have to take a sort of social responsibility.
Yeah, self-responsibility. Yes,
Yeah.
self-conscious responsibility.
Okay.
This is the key, I think, of
Yeah.
every development, right?
Right.
So it was really nice to talk to you. Wish you a lot of luck, and I wish you a great exhibition.
Thank you.
And especially in our 30 years anniversary.
Yeah, thank
and I
you.
hope to see you next year.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we will be here again next year.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for the
it was
opportunity.
Miss Pan from Jinlong.
Yeah. Nice meeting you guys here. Yeah.